Hi folks, right, well, I'm in a particularly good frame of mind today because one, it's my birthday, two, the sun is shining for once, and three, I'm going to go out for a trip in my car because I've been out in it for ages, about 6 weeks. So what I thought I'd do is just show you the cold starting procedure, the Aston Martin when it's been stood for some time. How to get the oil pressure up and so on. So my car is on one of these battery conditioners. So the first thing to do is to disconnect that, which plugs in there. Just get that out of the way, just don't run it over. Put the crap in the boot. Right. Oh, it smells good in here. So, the car has been stood for about 7 weeks, I think, something like that. So ignition on, you can see all the dials there. Foot fully on the clutch, as you always have to do to start these cars, and the other foot, right foot, fully on the gas pedal, on the accelerator pedal there, right to the floor. Then just, you can see the oil light there, just press the starter, about 5 seconds, oil light's still on. Still on. There, it's gone off this time. So there we go, we've got oil pressure now. So lift the foot off the gas pedal, keep the foot depressed on the clutch. If you can see, hopefully, but, probably not, but foot's depressed on the clutch anyway, and then just dab the starter and she should fire straight away. And there we have it.